Do you know that you can be working, another person is eating your fruit of your labor? Yes, especially those AI storytellers. They will carry your content, copy it word to word, and open Facebook, especially Facebook, TikTok, open TikTok and post it. Do you know even the funny part? They will make a lot of money from that video. That video will go viral. This is how you can brand your content by adding watermark to your content. Let me show you how you can add watermark to your videos. Either you want to post it in any social media platform, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or any niche, AI, video, storytelling, any video at all. This is how you can add watermark. Let me show you how you can add watermark to those videos. Let's go. Wait, it is free. It is free on CapCut. Even though you do not have CapCut Pro, it is free. It's just free. If this is your first time meeting my video, please, I would like you to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to other people to let them know how to put watermark to their video. Let's head into CapCut. Let's say this is the video you want to use to create your watermark. To put your watermark on your video, first of all, we click text and you'll see add text. You're going to write your name, any name, maybe the name of your page, your Facebook name, your TikTok name, or your YouTube channel name. Me, I'm going to put Brighto on capital letter. Yeah, Brighto, this is it. This is it. I'm going to put forms. I'm going to choose forms. Wait, it's loading. Okay, it's done. I'm going to choose any, you can choose any design you want to choose over here. I love to use this particular one. Let's use this one and move over to style. You can increase the size, make it bolder. This is bolder now. This is bold enough. And you move to opacity. This is where the important place you need to know. Move to opacity, reduce it. Don't make it firm like that, but reduce it more. Maybe let's use 40%. 40% is okay. Let's use 40%. And you drag your video. You drag it down, maybe to your center, any point that you know that they are not going to be able to crop it and steal your video. You put it there and you drag the text length to where your video end. This is it. This is it. And we have put our watermark. See it. This is perfectly. Let's see it. This is. Let me play it fully for you to know. See it, eh? Yes, you're welcome to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to explain more about yourself and how to edit video on CapCut. You're welcome. I hope you understand. That is very simple and nothing else. This is it. If you want to import, don't forget to remove this CapCut logo. You remove, delete, and you will now import your video, save it to your device, and that is all. If this video is helpful, like this video and share this video, subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.